If Firefox keeps sending you to random pages or automatically refreshing and redirecting websites, this quick setting may help. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop automatic redirects in Firefox by changing one simple preference in the advanced settings. This is a fast and easy fix, and if it works for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Firefox tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type about config and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page. Now, Firefox will show you a warning message because these settings can affect how the browser behaves. On that screen, click accept the risk and continue to proceed. Once you're inside the about.config page, look for the search filter at the top. Click into that box and type Accessibility.BlockAutoRefresh. This is the setting that controls automatic page refresh behavior in Firefox. After you type it in, you should see the preference appear in the results below. If the value is currently set to false, you'll want to change it to true. You can do that by clicking the toggle switch or by double-clicking the preference, depending on how it appears on your screen. Once it changes to true, Firefox will apply the new setting right away. At this point, you can close the tab and continue browsing normally. This simple change can help reduce unwanted automatic refreshes and redirects, making your browsing experience feel a lot more stable and controlled. If you've been frustrated by pages jumping around or reloading on their own, this is definitely a setting worth trying. And if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Firefox fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.